Right, so this is me with my new-ish lawnmower, the Stihl 545VM, and I've done this video just basically to show you how versatile it is. So when I did buy this, I wanted a lawnmower that was one, good in the grass, the wet grass, sorry, but two, lightweight, and as such you can easily maneuver around things. And I think this is probably the tightest garden that I do. I do have lots of small to medium-sized gardens, so the last thing I want is a big, huge, heavy lawnmower. So this comes in at 30 kilograms, and as you can see, you can lift it up and down walls like this, and kind of throw it around the garden, basically. So it is absolutely fantastic when it's wet grass. That's primarily what I wanted it for, because as we know, we get a lot of rain. And yeah, so this is just real time, this video, so you can just see I haven't obviously sped it up or anything, and you can see see it in action in a very tight, awkward space, really. And I can't fault it whatsoever. So by the time this video has come out, I'll have probably been using it for 3 or 4 months. So currently I've been using it for 2 or 3 weeks at the moment, and it's variable speed. It's got a 70-litre box on the back, so I find I can do lawns kind of all in one go, where as before my old lawnmower I was changing the box, or the bag rather. And yeah, it's I can't fault it. It's got a mulch plug, and it hasn't got a side discharge, but it's if you take the box off, the flap doesn't close all the way, so you've actually got a little gap, so it's got a kind of a back discharge, if you like. So it's got all kind of the functions and features that you'd want on a lawnmower. And yeah, let me know if anyone's watching this, if you guys have got one, let us know how it's treating you. The cut is pretty good as well, can't complain. And as you can see here, once you're finished, I just like to raise it up a little bit, and without too much effort, yeah, lift it up and get on with the next job. So thanks for watching, guys.